control, it will meet with an accident. Am I correct?
Yes sir, yes sir.
तो वहां पर
Yes,
तुम
sir.
खुद को तो लॉस पहुंचाओगे, साथ ही साथ किसी और को भी लॉस पहुंचा सकते हो. For that, you should know how to control that. If you know how to drive that, you should know how to control that also. So that control, that stoppage is being provided by the braking system of our automobile. So there are different type of braking system available, and in this module we will also discuss about the different type of tires we are using. See, initially we should have using manual tires in which tire is fitted with a tube inside that. पहले से पता है हम लोग ऐसा टायर आता था जो टायर के अंदर में ट्यूब फिट किया हुआ रहता था. Now also many vehicles
Yes,
are
sir.
having that facility. Okay, but now new innovation has taken place. We are familiar with one topic called tubeless tire. Have you heard this word? It is very
Yes sir,
popular
yes
word.
sir. अभी yes sir.
Yes, sir.
अभी बहुत सारी गाड़ी
अभी
में ट्यूबलेस
in
टायर
now
आता है.
scenario, in nowadays, in this current scenario, you will find that not only two-wheeler but also four-wheeler wheels are coming, four-wheeler tires are coming with tubeless. ठीक है,
सर
चार
हेवी
चक्कों का
व्हीकल्स
भी
में
गाड़ी.
ट्यूबलेस,
क्या बोलो?
सर हेवी व्हीकल्स में ट्यूबलेस क्यों नहीं देगा सर? क्योंकि वो हेवी पैसेंजर व्हीकल है इसीलिए.
Obviously, right. So nowadays every vehicle is provided with the facility of tubeless tires, so that it can move for a long distance without any interruption. ओके, तो बहुत ही एडवांटेज प्रोवाइड करता है. हम लोग कहीं पंचर फेस नहीं करेंगे, हवा कम नहीं होता है, जल्दी लीक आउट नहीं होता है, जल्दी टायर फटता नहीं है. द टायर इज मेड ऑफ स्पेशल क्वालिटी सो दैट इट विल नॉट वियर एंड टियर सो इजीली. Okay, so there are numerous advantages. So let us start with our braking system. What are the different type of braking system we are having? Okay, so moving further,
yes sir.
what is a braking system? We should know initially. See, brake is a device used for slowing, stopping, controlling the vehicle. Basically, this is the basic and major important function of a brake system. Braking operation is based on kinetic energy of the vehicle is converted into heat which dissipated into the atmosphere. ठीक है, ये एक फिनोमेना है जो हम लोग यूज करते हैं. While driving the vehicle, the torque of the engine produces the tractive effort due to the periphery of the driving wheel. I think everyone is familiar with this. सब कोई जानते हो चीज को?
Yes sir,
Yes?
yes sir.
Okay.
Yes sir,
Yes,
Now
sir.
next topic. When the brakes are applied, it produces negative tractive effort on the wheels. समझते हो नेगेटिव ट्रैक्टिव इफर्ट? अगर हम गाड़ी इंजन से पावर दे रहे हैं तो वो पॉजिटिव ट्रैक्टिव इफर्ट हो जो ट्रैक्शन प्रोवाइड करे. When it will be the positive, it is positive traction effect, then the vehicle will start moving against the direction. जिस डायरेक्शन को मोड़ा उसकी तरफ मूवमेंट करने लगेगा. और उसी मूवमेंट को अगर हम रोक देंगे तो वहीं पे हमारा ब्रेक उसको रोक रहा है, तो क्या करेगा? नेगेटिव ट्रैक्टिव इफेक्ट करेगा व्हील पर. It will create a pressure against the movement of the vehicle, na? So that is considered as a negative
Yes, sir.
one. That's why it is simply said as negative tractive effort on wheel. Simply. Okay. Next, with the help of slowdown on the vehicle, we use basically braking, different type of braking systems. What are those? Let us go through.
सर सूप ब्रेक, ड्रम ब्रेक, वही सब.
Are you saying something?
सर वो अभी जो डिस्क ब्रेक सिस्टम आता है जो डिस्क को ऑटो लॉक कर देता है, तो वो
क्या क्या फिर से बोलो, नहीं
फिर
सुनाई दे रहा ठीक
सूप,
से.
सर जैसे सूप ब्रेक हो गया, ड्रम ब्रेक हो गया, डिस्क ब्रेक हो गया, वही
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल
ब्रेकिंग.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. देखो, we are starting from drum brake, then we will move to disc brake. We are moving towards advancedness. How the advancedness has come in the braking system? Initially there was concept of drum brake. After that the system advanced, and then we came to know about disc brake. After that we came to know about hydraulic brake, air brakes, pneumatic brakes, oil brake, and so on. There are different brakes now available. We are also having vacuum brakes. Have you heard the name of vacuum brake?
हाँ सर, जो ये इसमें रेलवेज में यूज होता है वैक्यूम ब्रेक.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. It is basically used in our railway since the capacity of the load is very much high. So to create effective braking system in railway, basically in rail engines, we are using vacuum brake over there. इट इज वेरी इफेक्टिव ब्रेकिंग सिस्टम. वी विल गो थ्रू, हम जाएंगे उसकी तरफ. ठीक है, एवरीथिंग इज क्लियर टिल नाउ?
ओके सर, यस सर, यस.
यस सर.
ओके, आगे हम लोग बढ़ते हैं. सी व्हाट आर द मेन functions of a braking system. You can see the diagram. Diagram is visible to all?
यस सर.
यस सर.
Just wait. Okay, you can see the parts which is visible on this diagram. What are the different parts we are having in an automobile? Okay, these are the four wheels. You can see my cursor moving. Is the cursor visible
Yes
to
sir,
you?
yes sir.
Okay.
Yes,
See,
sir.
these are the rear wheels and these are the front wheels. This is the front side of a vehicle, and this is basically a luggage carrier vehicle. You can see the in back side we are having luggage facility available, so that we can put our luggage
Yes, sir.
required and we can transmit from one place to another, right? For that purpose, we need a very good braking system so that we can act accordingly wherever it is required to stop our vehicle. So for that purpose, the basic phenomena, the basic component which we are using in our vehicle is drum brake system. It is available in any advanced vehicle. The facility may be any way. किसी भी तरह का ब्रेक होता है, basic function which the brake is being applied on any of the vehicle is drum brake system. It is present in every advanced vehicle now also. Okay, what are the, so we should know what are the main functions of braking system. To stop the vehicle safely in a shortest possible distance in case of emergency. This is the utmost important requirement of a braking system. To stop the vehicle at a shortest possible distance in case of an emergency. Okay, what is its other function? To control the vehicle when it is descending along the hills. Do you understand the word descending?
यस सर.
प्रभात धर्मेंद्र.
Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir.
Yes, sir.
पीछे की तरफ
Yes, sir.
आने में
पीछे की तरफ, राइट
मतलब वो-
राइट, obviously. Okay, the next function, the basic function is to keep the vehicle in desired position after bringing it at rest. Okay,
yes sir.
रेस्ट
Yes,
में
sir.
आ जाने के बाद उसको डिजायर्ड पोजीशन में कंटिन्यूअस स्टेबल रखना है, उसके लिए भी ब्रेकिंग सिस्टम का यूज होता है. फॉर दैट पर्पस वी आर हैविंग ए स्पेशल टाइप ऑफ ब्रेकिंग सिस्टम व्हिच इज कॉल्ड पार्किंग ब्रेक,
हैंड ब्रेक्स.
और
Sir, hand
यस
brake
ऑब्वियसली
system.
इन रनिंग लैंग्वेज वी सेड इट एज ए हैंड ब्रेक. हैंड ब्रेक लगा देंगे तो गाड़ी जब रुका रहेगा तो कंस्टेंटली उसी जगह में खड़ा रहेगा, वो वहां से हटेगा नहीं. इन द डायग्राम यू कैन सी, just wait, you can see my cursor. See, this is shown as an emergency brake. It is having basically three names: parking brake, hand brake, and emergency brake. You can see there is a lever. When we will put it upside, it will be applying brake on the all four wheels together constantly throughout till the lever is applied. जब तक लीवर को अप्लाई किया हुआ रहेगा तब तक कांस्टेंट चारों चक्कों पर ब्रेक लगा रहेगा. It will be applied throughout till you are lowering that lever to release that brake. Is it okay?
Yes sir, yes sir. वो
Yes,
देखा हूँ जो हाईवेज पे जो स्लोपिंग रोड रहता है उस पे यदि ट्रैफिक जाम रहता है तो हैंड ब्रेक्स का ये मैंने इमरजेंसी ब्रेक्स का यूज करते हैं, जिससे गाड़ी
हाँ,
मेरा वो
बिल्कुल.
स्लोपिंग एरिया पे भी कंटिन्यू खड़ा रहे.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. Okay. Moving further, see what are the different types of braking system which we are now availing, which we are having. Number one is hydraulic braking system. It is a very popular one. Next is pneumatic braking system. We will go through in detail. And the very previous one is mechanical braking system. Even though if we are using hydraulic braking system or pneumatic braking system or any type of braking system, we are having this braking system fitted inside that. अगर हम हाइड्रोलिक ब्रेकिंग सिस्टम यूज कर रहे हैं उसके बावजूद उसके अंदर में मैकेनिकल ब्रेकिंग सिस्टम प्रेजेंट रहता है. इट कैन नॉट बी ऑब्सोलीट. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस पॉइंट? आई विल एक्सप्लेन इट फर्दर. Next type of brake is
Yes, sir.
very popular one, disc braking system, and I have talked about in just previous differential module that we are having a system called ABS, that is anti braking system, which helps to rectify the differential problems. इसके बारे में भी हम लोग जानेंगे. So there are these type of terms we need to know in little bit of details. So we should start it from mechanical braking system, because this is the previous braking system we have gone through, and from there here only the advancedness of braking system has taken place. From here only the pneumatic braking system has generated. From here only the hydraulic braking system has originated, and all braking system advanced forms like this braking system or ABS system all has come through the innovations which has been done on this mechanical braking system. So we will start from this mechanical braking system, then we will move further. Okay.